Hi, I'm Dr. Packer with Precision Spinal Care, and today I just want to share with you what makes Precision Spinal Care unique and different. Now, first of all, I am a spine management physician and also a board-certified NUCCA chiropractor. Now, what do those things mean? First of all, as a spine management physician, I've been trained through medical credentials, SUNY Buffalo Jacobs School of Medicine, to triage patients and to be able to evaluate their needs based on my cross-training with neuroradiology, orthopedic surgery, neurosurgery, primary care, emergency medicine, and the like. So I've been exposed to all aspects of spine to determine whether you might be able to be helped with something very conservative, maybe like the NUCCA technique, or something as far as spinal surgery. An example of being able to help you with those decisions is we go over many different options people have, from open procedures and surgery to even minimally invasive outpatient procedures. On the conservative side, the NUCCA technique is light and gentle. Some people are a little apprehensive or fearful going to a chiropractor. They don't want to get manipulated or cracked. And the NUCCA technique is very light, very gentle, and actually requires no manipulation of the head, neck, or spine. It's based on a very accurate analysis of what we call spinal biomechanics. And what that means is we not only look at your spine from an anatomical point of view in terms of herniated disc, bulging disc, compressed nerves, we also look at the relationship of the vertebra, spinal ligament tears, if the vertebra are rotating too far forward or back, or translating too far forward and back, or their rotational components. What also makes us unique is we are absolutely dedicated to finding the cause of your problem. That's why, I'll be honest with you, we don't treat on the first visit. When you come, it could be as long as a 2-hour appointment. We encourage you to bring your prior medical records. We want to listen to you, spend the time with you, find out the things that you've tried, things that have worked or haven't worked, how long you've been in pain, a lot of different details about it. Then we're going to put you through a thorough series of exams, including orthopedic, neurological, and even some biomechanical tests, so we can find out what is the cause of your pain. Is it coming maybe from the spinal joint, maybe from the disc, from the nerve? And that will dictate what imaging do we order. Do we simply need x-rays, or do we need to go further and get an MRI or a CT scan? Or perhaps no imaging is needed at all. And then once all that is completed, and it usually takes a good hour, hour and a half, 2 hours, then we're going to take that home and do our homework. We're going to look at your scans. We're going to look at your images. I'm going to look at your whole case, your orthopedic test results, and we're going to try to come up with what is the best, not only the best solution to your problem, whether it be care in my office or I refer you out to one of my medical colleagues, but it's based on a sound diagnosis. So that's what's a little unique and different working with the spine management physician and our broad training in all areas of spine, so we can look at all those aspects and try to allow you to make the best possible decisions for your treatment. What also makes us unique and different at Precision Spinal Care is that we know some treatments work well for some and not for others. It's not uncommon for people to get advice or see something on the internet or TV and go, oh, that may be what's best for me. And again, we really encourage our patients to get a thorough exam, find out what's actually wrong, because something that may work well for one person could actually bring harm to another. So that's why it's my job as your doctor, if we work together, to actually do an accurate diagnosis through proper medical testing and really getting to the bottom of what's causing your pain before any treatment decisions are made. It's not unusual patients will ask me, doctor, what do you think of this? Or I heard this pill could work, or this procedure, or laser surgery. I heard that works so-and-so for my Uncle George, or whoever it might be. And again, there's a lot of promises made out there in healthcare. And what I would say is be wary of any promises, because if somebody doesn't even know what's wrong with you, has done a case history, done any exams, looked at any imaging, how would they know whether a particular treatment would be effective for you or not, whether it be safe, dangerous, or just irrelevant and be a waste of your time and money? So that's what's a little unique and different working with us. Again, we're completely dedicated to finding out the root cause of your problem based on accurate medical tests. And even if we do try some treatment, we do it on a short-term trial basis of, let's say, no more than 30 days. And then we measure your response, not just subjectively how you feel, but rerun those objective medical tests and make sure that there's actual medical proof that you're improving and getting better. So we know we're fixing the root cause of your problem and not just temporarily covering up your symptoms. Patients have also shared with me their frustrating journey, jumping from doctor to doctor, getting all kinds of different opinions, trying a variety of different treatments, whether they gave it some time or didn't give it enough time. It just depends. But the idea is, with a spine management physician, is that the frustration can be over. We can help guide you on this journey. And again, our dedication is to you getting answers, not necessarily being your treating doctor, but doing an accurate workup, spending the time with you necessary, working up the diagnosis and pointing you in the right direction into treatment options that you feel comfortable with, but also make logical sense. So don't get discouraged. You don't have to be told just because you have arthritis or you've had this problem for so long that you're going to have to live with it. Feel free to give our office a call. Call me on the phone, fill out the option form. We're happy to engage in a conversation with you and let you know what your options could be to finally get some answers. We have specifically designed our website to help you on this journey to get answers. So feel free to visit our website at NUCCAspinalcare.com. And I highly encourage you to go to the Learning Center. We have very common questions that people ask, whether it be about the cost of healthcare, whether about different treatments and options, different variety of different subjects. So you just go there and we have a large library of professionally written blogs and videos to help you on this journey to answer some of those questions. And then upon researching some of the information, if you want to engage in a conversation with us, we highly encourage you to give us a call. And I would be really excited to help you on this journey, whether we can help you here in the office or at least order the right testing and get you pointed in the right direction. I really look forward to seeing if we can help.